I just purchased the Sennheiser HDB 630 premium headphones. In this short video, I'm gonna open up the box to show you what comes in their box, and I'm gonna give you my first impressions on the quality of these headphones and also on the raw sound quality of these headphones. Later on, I'll be performing a full review about them, so make sure to subscribe to my channel to get notified of the full review video when I release it. Let's open the box. You have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and this is a jack cable that is 3.5 millimeters to 2.5 millimeters, an airplane adapter, and this is the BTD 700 high quality audio dongle, and this is a very nice touch that Sennheiser provide them with this dongle. This is some documentation, and these are the headphones. The first feel of the ear cushions is that it is extremely soft, and also the top cushioning on the headband, it is really good. The headphones look very nice. They have these instructions here. I'm just gonna remove this label, and this is the QR code to download the application. The application for these headphones, it is called Smart Connect Plus, and I can tell you that the first impression on the quality of the headphones is very good. Even though they are made mainly of plastic, but they feel very well made and very well assembled. Let me wear them now for the first time to give you my impressions on their comfort. That's an interesting bit I didn't see when I unboxed them. The drivers seem to be made in Ireland, which is very good. So let me wear them now for the first time ever to see if they are comfortable as a first impression. Wow. Really, as a first impression, I can tell you that they are extremely comfortable. They sit very well on my head. Mind you, of course, this is the first time I wear them. Maybe on the long run, I'll change my mind. I will let you know at the full review when I release it. But I can tell you that they are extremely soft, and they do not exert any pressure, nor on my ears like this, nor on the top of my head. So now let me connect them to my phone and test their sound quality for the first time. So here I am connecting them to my iPhone. And now they are connected. Let's test their sound. So my iPhone prompted me to install the application. I'm not gonna install it now. I just wanna test the sound now. So I'm gonna tap on ignore, and let's go to Spotify. And now they are connected in AAC to my iPhone, and I'm gonna give you my impression. And I can tell you that the sound, raw as it is, without any modification with the equalizer, it is close to being excellent. And I was really pleasantly surprised in this. So now I'm gonna go test them for a couple of weeks, and then I'm gonna make the full review. So once again, first, if you like this video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And this way you'll be notified of the full review video when I release it. Thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech.